dropping a class. We understand life happens and sometimes you need to make changes to your schedule. The drop and/or withdrawal process looks different at different points within the academic year. Deadlines to drop a class or to completely withdraw for the term are determined by the academic calendar. The academic calendar can be accessed on the untdallas.edu main website by clicking Academics, then Academic Calendars. Notice the academic calendar is set up by semester. So you will click on the semester you're wanting to drop a class and see all of the deadlines for that semester. To see the deadlines for refunds, you will click the blue link at the bottom of the page. This will take you to the Student Business Services website, and you will click on Important Dates over on the left-hand side. Students are able to drop courses within their MyUNTD portal before census date, but will not be able to remove their last class without completing a term withdrawal form. Here is how to drop a class in your MyUNTD portal. From the home page, you will click the Enrollment tile, and on the left-hand side menu, you will click on Drop Classes. Select the term you would like to drop a class. We're going to choose Fall 2022 for this example. And then it's going to show you the classes you're enrolled in. You're going to select the class that you want to drop. Again, remember, if you are wanting to drop all of your classes, you will need to complete a withdrawal form. After you select the class you want, you'll click Next on the top right. And then it's going to ask you to confirm if you would like to drop the class. So you will click the blue Drop Classes button as the last step. After the census date, you will need to fill out a drop form that looks like this. Make sure to include all of the important information, fill out each column, and if you have questions, you can always ask your advisor. Signatures that will be needed are yours, the instructor, and your academic advisor. Before you drop, your advisor wants you to consider the following. There is a 6-course drop limit, including transfer classes. Note, drops before census don't count towards the drop limit. Depending on when you drop, you won't get your money back. If you drop a class, you must replace it at some point. Registering and later dropping a class does not mean you get credit. You only get credit for classes you pass and complete. Some classes are only offered in certain semesters. SAP pace of progression for financial aid requirements. You have to complete 67% of the classes you register for. So for example, if you are taking 4 classes and you drop 2, that would be a 50% completion, meaning you are not meeting SAP. If you take 4 and drop 1, it would be 75%, meaning meeting SAP.